These components require simple fire alarm circuit.
Main points of fire alarm: the most essential electronic device at home or industry or any other place where there is a chance of fire accident is a fire alarm circuit. When we use in our day-to-day life, such as fire alarm circuit, automatic outdoor lighting system, automatic fan, radiator, night sensoric light kitchen timer. The fire alarm product is designed for developing a temperature control system using thermistor. 10 kilo ohm resistor, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, LM358 operational amplifier, buzzer, 5 volts power supply.
Resistor, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, LM358 operation amplifier, 10 kilo ohm resistors, buzzer, battery cap, battery 9 volts, breadboard, connecting wires. LM358 operational amplifier. Thermistor, 10 kilo ohm thermistor, LM358 operational amplifier, resistor, 10 kilo ohm resistor, thermistor 1 is red to connected to thermistor to ground. Take connecting wires. Fourth pin is connected to ground. Eighth pin is connected to VCC. There is only 5 blocks to attach the 10 blocks in one connecting wire. The VCCs flow to the all blocks. First pin is connected to VCC. Buzzer, VCC connected to first pin. And black wire is connected to ground. (10K) potentiometer is connected to 3 wires. First pin is connected to VCC. Second pin is connected to LM358 operational amplifier IC. Second pin connected to third pin is connected to ground. LM358 third pin is connected to thermistor 1 lane. Okay. Take 9 volts battery, connect with the battery cap. Is connected to VCC. Wire is connected to ground. Thermistor second. Another LED is connected to VCC. This is fire alarm circuit. In this circuit, the fire will be in this place. Alert the buzzer.
Once again, I will show the simple fire alarm circuit. In this circuit, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, 10 kilo ohm resistor, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, thermistor, the LM358 operational amplifier.
We done the project complete successfully. Please like, share, subscribe.